NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft was launched into space in 1977, only a few short weeks after the agency's Voyager 1 probe. Voyager 2, much like its sibling, was conceived to explore the reaches of the Solar System and beyond. After traveling more than 11 billion kilometers away from Earth, it has made groundbreaking discoveries concerning the composition of our solar system. However, the question that remains is when exactly will Voyager 2 be destroyed? Along the same lines as its predecessor, Voyager 2 will never truly perish. It will continue to move through space until either it is involved in a collision with another item or it is drawn into the gravitational field of a star. However, at some point in the future, the instruments that are aboard the spacecraft will become inoperable, and the vessel will lose its ability to transmit data back to Earth. Voyager 2 utilizes the same three radioisotope thermoelectric generators, RTGs, as its predecessor, Voyager 1. These RTGs are the source of the spacecraft's electricity. These generators produce electricity by transforming the heat that is produced as a result of the decay of radioactive isotopes. The RTGs have a half-life of around 87 years, which indicates that they will continue to provide power for a number of additional decades once they are operational. However, as the generators age, their output will progressively decrease, and in order to conserve power on board Voyager 2, the instruments will need to be turned off one at a time. The state of the instruments aboard Voyager 2 is another component that will play a role in determining how long the spacecraft will remain operational. Voyager 2, like its predecessor, was only supposed to function for a period of 5 years. Yet it has been doing so for more than 4 decades at this point. Even while the instruments on board Voyager 2 have shown an impressive capacity for toughness, there is no way to completely protect them from the damaging effects of radiation and other types of wear and tear. As the instruments continue to deteriorate, their dependability will decrease, and finally they will become completely inoperable. Voyager 2 has already exceeded all expectations despite these limitations, and it is continuing to give crucial data about the outer solar system and beyond. It has made a number of groundbreaking discoveries about the composition of our solar system, including as the identification of new moons and the finding of a magnetic bubble that encircles our Sun. In addition, so long as its power source is still operational, it will proceed with its exploration of the cosmos and the transmission of data to Earth. In conclusion, Voyager 2 will not truly perish, but there will come a day when its instruments will no longer operate. The lifespan of the spacecraft will be determined by the type of power source it utilizes as well as the state of its various instruments. Nevertheless, in spite of the difficulties, Voyager 2 has already gathered important information about the reaches of the solar system and beyond, and it will continue to do so for as long as it is able to.